Question number 1. Before that, I am telling you all the formula which are used in this. First formula of the electric current, I equals to Q upon T. I am writing units also here. What is the unit of charge? Charge is represented by which symbol? Charge is represented by the symbol Q. What is the unit of charge? Unit of charge is coulomb. Time is represented by T and its symbol is, its unit is second. So what is the unit of current? Electric current is represented by the symbol I, and what is its unit? Ampere. Its unit is ampere. Then there is one more formula in which we can write Q equals to N into E upon T. N is what? Number of free electrons, or you can say only the number of electrons. Number of electrons. It's clear? Because it is the free electrons which are moving. It is the free electrons which are moving. What is E? E is the electronic charge. And what is the magnitude of electronic charge? Who can tell? It is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. It is clear? This point is clear? Now see here, after that there is one formula, potential, electric potential or electric potential difference. Electric potential. Electric potential, what is the symbol? Who can tell? Electric potential symbol is
V.
V. Very good. V equals to W upon Q. W is work, Q means charge. It's clear? And what is its unit? Its unit is volt. Its unit is volt. And there is the same formula for the electric potential difference. Electric potential difference. That is also W upon Q. It is clear? Electric potential difference is also W upon Q. It's clear? Its unit is also volt. Its unit is volt. Then, so these formulae are clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, here. After this, from Ohm's law, Ohm's law got one formula. This is V equals to I into R. V is potential difference, I is electric current, and what is R? R is resistance. R is resistance. And what is the unit of resistance? Who can tell? Unit of resistance.
Ohm.
Unit of resistance is ohm. Unit of resistance is ohm. It is clear? Then there is one more formula, R equals to rho into L upon A. What is rho? Rho is resistivity. Resistivity or specific resistance. Specific resistance of material of conductor. Material of conductor. What is L? L is the length. L is the length. And A is what? Area of cross section. It is area of cross section, whose unit will be meter square, centimeter square. Now see here, what is the meaning of cross section? During the lecture also I have told what is cross section. Suppose this is the conductor. Here this is the conductor. This is the length of the conductor. This thing is called the length of the conductor. Now any section of the conductor perpendicular to the length. So this section is perpendicular to the length. It's clear? This is what shape? Circular shape. So this is cross section of the conductor. For example, here if you see, this is in rectangular shape. This will be the length. Length is always longest side. So this is the length. Now what section is perpendicular to it? So this section is perpendicular to the length. So here cross section is rectangular. So here it is this. How will you convert centimeter square into meter square? By multiplying with 10 to the power minus 4. So this is one formula, R equals to rho into L upon A. Then I have told that what will be the effect of stretching of the conductor on the resistance and effect of folding of conductor on itself on the resistance. Means what is the effect of stretching on resistance? Means if there is a conductor of length L and resistance is R, if you stretch it and make its length n times of the original length, by stretching you make its length n times of the original length, what will happen to the resistance? Resistance R dash equals to n square R. Resistance will increase n square times. It is clear? Now similarly, if the wire is folded on itself, suppose this is the conductor, and you have folded in two folds. In two folds means in physics we say that it is folded on itself. It is doubled on itself. Here it is doubled on itself. Means it is folded two times. Suppose if you fold it in three folds, then we say that it is tripled on itself. So see here, when it will be folded n times, what will be the resistance? Resistance will become R upon n square. So these are the formulae which are being used, which will be used in this exercise. It's clear? Now you see the numericals. In the beginning, numericals are very simple. You can see here. You can. Question number 1. Now listen here. How will you do the numericals? What is the procedure of doing the numericals? So first you read the numerical and find out the values in terms of symbols. जो वैल्यूज दी हैं उनको सिंबल के टर्म्स में क्या है वो देखो क्या है. इन ए कंडक्टर 6.25 into 10 to the power 16 electrons flow from end A to the end B. They are going from end A to the end B. In how much time? Time is given 2 seconds. Find the current flowing through the conductor. Means you have to find current. What is this? What is this value? Who can tell? 6.5 into 10 to the power 16.
N.
It is N. It is N, number of electrons. You have to find current. Means in terms of symbol, what you have to find? In terms of symbol,
Sir, I.
what you have
Sir,
to
I.
I. Very good. I. It's clear? Here E is given how much? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Now, which formula will be applicable here? Who will tell? Afreen.
Sir.
Afreen बताए. Afreen.
Sir, I
कौन
is
सा
equal
formula apply कर?
Sir, I
I
is
equals
equal
to
N E by T. N into E by T.
very good. Ne upon T. Very good. Ne upon T. जिससे क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे वो आंसर जरूर करें. Ne upon T. N is how much? 6.25 into 10 to the power 16. E 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. It's clear? And one more thing, you will check whether all the values are in MKS system or not. in SI unit or not. All the values are in the MKS system or not. It's clear? That you will check. So here it is given, time is given in second, that is 2. So it will be 6.25 into 1.6. This is 10 की power 16 and here it is 10 की power minus 19. It's clear? So what will you do? You will add the powers. तुमको मालूम ही होगा, इंडिसीज का रूल है 2. So this will be equals to how much? So that I am doing here. Here it will be 25 into 1.6. So this is equals to 10 upon 2. And this is 10 to the power minus 3. So this is equals to 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. Arohi Patel, what will be the unit? Arohi Patel. What will be the unit here? आंसर नहीं करोगे तो समझ नहीं पाओगे.
Sir,
Aryan Chaudhary, ampere. It will be ampere. And why? Because everything you have kept here in the SI unit. Therefore, I will also be in the SI unit. It's clear? Now, as we know that 1 milliampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. 1 milliampere equals to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. So we can write it as 5 milliampere. 5 milliampere. Now what will be the direction of current? Who can tell? Direction of current. Aryan Singh.
Yes, sir.
What will be the direction of current? Here electrons are moving from A to B. So what is the direction of current?
B to A.
B to A. What is the rule? करंट की डायरेक्शन हरदम इलेक्ट्रॉन जिस डायरेक्शन में जा रहे हैं उसके अपोजिट होती है. करंट की डायरेक्शन हरदम क्या होती है? जिस डायरेक्शन में इलेक्ट्रॉन जाते हैं उसके अपोजिट. मींस फ्रॉम B to A. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Whether this point is clear or not? Yes. So direction current is from B to A. Now see the next question. Now question number 2. So what is the procedure of solving the numericals? You read the numerical, identify each value in terms of symbol. Identify each value in terms of symbol. It is clear? Now see here. Then you can see question number 2. A current of 1.6 milliampere means in terms of symbol it is what?
Sir, I.
Who can tell? I. I equals to this. If charge on an electron, E equals to minus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. But all of you remember this thing, when we will use this value, what will you do? You will take only the value, not the minus sign. It's clear? In calculation, we will not take the minus sign. So find the number of electrons that will pass each second. Each second means in 1 second. How many electrons will pass? This is T. How many electrons will pass in each second? That is N. You have to determine. It's clear? You have to find the number of electrons that will pass each second through the cross section of the conductor. Through the cross section of conductor, how many electrons are passing means you have to find N. It is clear? Now you can see here. Here this is milliampere. How do you convert in ampere? Just now I have told 1.6 milliampere means 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Value of E is given, T is given, you have to find N. What will be the formula?
So N is
Amit?
equal to I
by T.
It will be I equals to N into E upon T. So you have to find N. So you make the formula of N, I into T upon E. What is I? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3. T is 1 second divided by T. No, divided by E. E is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. We will not put this minus sign. Now 1.6, 1.6 cancel. That is 10 to the power minus 3. When it will go up, what will happen? 10 to the
Positive.
power minus
Minus.
19 will go, it will become 10 to the power 19.
Plus.
So see here,
19.
10 to the power minus 3 plus 19. Bases are same, so powers will be added. So 10 to the power 16 electrons. 10 to the power 16 electrons. This point is clear? Now
Yes,
who can
sir.
tell? Yes.
Yes, sir.
10 to the power 16 electrons. Now see the question number 3. This is very good question. Question number 3. Find the potential difference. Means in terms of symbol, what you have to determine. सिंबल के टर्म में हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना?
So we find out.
We find out. It's clear?
EY.
To flow a current of 200 milliampere. This is what?
So I.
I. How will you change in ampere?
Multiply by
1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3.
No. Just now I have told. How will you change milliampere into ampere? 10 to the power minus 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 10 to the power minus 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. आए समझे? मिली एम्पियर को एम्पियर में चेंज करने के लिए 10 की पावर minus 3 से. So it is 200 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Now you can write simplified 2 into 10 to the power 2. 100 means 10 to the power 2, 10 to the power minus 3. That is equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 1 ampere. That is 0.2 ampere. Current is this. So find the potential difference V to flow a current of this in a wire of resistance 20 ohm. Resistance is symbolized by capital R. It's clear? So what will be the potential difference? So potential difference V equals to, how will you find? I दिया है, R दिया है, कौन सा फार्मूला लगेगा?
So
I
V
by
equals to I into R.
I into
R.
So 0.2 into R is 20. So it will be equal to 2 into 2, that is 4. And what is the unit of potential difference? Unit of potential difference. It is
So
volt.
V.
It is volt. 4 volt. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
So question number 4 you can see. An electric bulb draws 1.2 ampere. Means I equals to this. At 6 volt, that is V equals to 6.0 volt. Find the resistance. R you have to determine. Very simple. Resistance, what is formula?
V by I.
Very good. किसने बताया? नाम बताए.
Alicia Magu.
क्या नाम है?
Alicia Magu.
ये लीसा मांगो. Very good. So it is 60 upon 12. 60 upon 12 means 5. And what is the unit of resistance? Kusagra Tripathi, unit of resistance.
Sir, ohm.
Ohm. It will be ohm.
Ohm.
Resistance will be 5 ohm. Now see here, next question. Questions are very simple here. Question number 5. And this chapter is very important from the point of view of theory as well as numericals. In board examination, you will definitely get numericals and theory from this chapter. A car bulb connected to a 12-volt battery draws 2 ampere current when glowing. 12 volt, 12, what is 12 volt in terms of symbol?
V.
V.
It is V. And draws 2 ampere current, that is I equals to 2 ampere. What is the resistance of filament? So resistance of filament of bulb. You will write the statement also. So R equals to, what is the formula? R equals to V
V by I.
upon I. That is 12 upon 2. That is equals to 6
6
ohm.
ohm.
It's clear.
Sir.
Will the resistance, now next part is very, very good question. Will the resistance be more, same or less when the bulb is not glowing? मतलब क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है कि जब बल्ब ग्लो नहीं कर रहा है तब इसका रेजिस्टेंस इतना ही होगा या इससे अधिक होगा या इससे लेस होगा. दिस थिंग हैज बीन आस्क्ड और ये हमने डिस्कस किया था. When it is not glowing, then its resistance will be less than 6 ohm or more than 6 ohm or equal to 6 ohm. लेस होगा ना. आए समझे? जब इससे करंट फ्लो होगी ये ग्लो करेगा, but at that time its temperature will also be increased, therefore its resistance will be increased. But when it is not glowing, resistance will be less than 6 ohm. So you write down, when bulb is, हमने टंगस्टन बल्ब के लिए बताया था, टंगस्टन फिलामेंट के लिए, bulb is not glowing, its resistance will be less than 6 ohm. So this point is clear. Now question number 6. Now you see the question number 6. Calculate the current flowing through a wire, means I you have to find out. Wire of resistance R equals to 5 ohm. Connected to a battery of potential difference 3 volt. You have to find I. So what is the formula of I? I equals to V upon R. V is given 3, this is 5, that is 0.6 ampere. 0.6 ampere. It is clear? Now question number 7 I am going to tell. Now this question is based on the graph. So all of you wait for a minute. How will you do this on the graph paper? In an experiment of verification of Ohm's law, following observations are obtained. Potential difference values are given and their corresponding current are given. Draw a VI graph जब ऐसा लिखा VI graph means V will be on Y axis and I will be on X axis. So you first you mark the this way you will draw the line. Then you write O here, here X and here Y. Here you will write I in ampere and in this side V in volt. It is clear? That way you will write. Then you mark the scale. So you take 0, this is 0.2, 0.4. There should be equal gap. ये ऐसा ना हो कि ये तो 0.2 हो और यहाँ पर 0.6 हो जाए. Gap should be equal. 0.6, 0.8, 1.0. And then potential difference you can see here. So 0, it is 0, 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5 and 3.0. It is clear? Now you mark when current is 0.2, what is the potential difference? 0.5. Current is 0.2, potential difference is 0.5 means this point. Then 0.4, current is 0.4 ampere and potential difference is 1. So this point. Then current is 0.6, potential difference is 1.5 means this. Current is 0.8, potential difference is 2.0. You can see in your book. This. And then this. Okay. Now you join this. इसको हम join करते हैं. So see here, when you will join this, I am using the sketch pen. Here it is this. When you will proceed in the backward direction, it is coming from where? From origin, passing through origin. After that, you will circle these plotted points. You circle these plotted points. I have circled the plotted points. Plotted points को circle कर दिया. Now see here. Now in the question it has been asked. This is the question number 7. In the question it has been asked, A part, the potential difference V when the current I is 0.5 ampere. Now all of you see here. You can see. Here this is 0 and this is 0.2. So where will be the point 1? Point 1 will be exactly in the middle. This is 0.1. This is 0.2. This will be 0.3. This is 0.4. This will be 0.5. So when the current is 0.5 ampere, this is the current of 0.5 ampere. You can see here, I am showing you. You can see here, this is 0, this is 0.2. So exactly in the midway, it will be 0.1. So 0, 0.1, 0.2, then midway 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. For this value of current, you have to determine the potential difference. It is clear? So what will you do? You can see here. आपकी सही नहीं आएगी। Yes. So see here, you draw a line here. हमने 0.5 एम्पियर पर एक लाइन ऐसे ड्रा। It means to the graph at this point. You see its value. ये कहां पर आ रही है? You can see on the here. ये वाली लाइन ग्राफ पर कहां पर आ रही है? 1 और 1.5 के एकदम बीचों बीच में। 1 और 1.5 के एकदम बीचों बीच में क्या वैल्यू होगी बताओ?
1.25.
Very good. 1.25. It is clear. So that thing you will write here. It is 1.25. It's clear. So I'm writing the answer here only. You can see here. First part. This is V equals to 1.25 volt. 1.25 volt. Then you have to find the current when potential difference V 0.75 volt. When potential difference V 0.75 volt, then what is the current? So see here, you can see once again, where you have plotted potential difference. You can see here, this is 0.5, this 1.0, where will be 0.75? Exactly 0.5 और 1.0 के बीचों बीच में कहां पर होगा? 0.5 और 1.0 के एकदम बीचों बीच में दिखाई दे रहा है ना? This point is clear. You are taking potential difference along y-axis, where will be 0.75 volt. So 0.75 volt is this point. It's clear. Exactly in the midway of 0.5 and 1.0. So you see here. It will be here. This I am doing by the other pen. Now arrows we will put from this side. What is its value on the x-axis? You can see here, what is its value?
0.3.
0.75 के corresponding current is 0.3. Current is 0.3. It is clear? So you can write B part, current equals to 0.3 ampere. Now in the C part you have find resistance. What is the formula of resistance? Slope of VI graph. And what is the formula of slope? Y2 minus Y1